Hey everyone, it's State Farm Shar here with your weekly Wednesday tip. Big topic of discussion lately. Why do insurance premiums continue to go up? Well, there's many factors at play here. First and foremost, bodily injury accidents are more prevalent than ever, and I don't know the last time that you looked at medical care, but it is expensive. Doctor's bills, hospital bills are higher than they've ever been before. So that's one reason. If you have a bodily injury accident, the cost to pay out for those damages is rather extensive. Another reason is property damage. Property damage is repairing the vehicles that were damaged in the accident. I don't know about you, but a backup camera and sensors and all that technology that goes into a bumper these days, that's expensive. So all these body shops are repairing these things that are $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 just for a bumper. It's not 5, 10, 15 years ago when it was just a hunk of metal or a big old piece of heavy plastic. So all that technology costs money. And so those things are two big factors as to why insurance premiums are continuing to increase. Now, something else to think about. All these body shops that have these minimum wage employees, well, throughout the country, many of these body shops have had to raise what they pay their people. The money doesn't come from anywhere. So body shops are raising their cost to repair the vehicles because of what they have to pay out in their employees. Insurance companies had to pay what the body shops are asking. So all of this is a vicious circle. Again, it all comes back to the costs for pretty much everything are on the rise. Medical care, body shops, the actual physical equipment to replace or repair in these vehicles, and then paying for the people to do the repairs themselves. So a lot of things are increasing, and that's what makes insurance premiums increase as well. I know that probably doesn't make you feel any better, but sometimes understanding why insurance premiums increase helps you to absorb it a little bit better. Now, something else to consider. There are more and more accidents in the country today than ever in history before. And the size of those accidents is worse than ever before. Part of that is because we've got, again, all the technology inside our cars. So people are driving distracted, they're texting or talking on the phone while driving, and all of those factors are making more accidents happen, and the severity of those accidents are increasing. So all these factors combined are why insurance premiums have been increasing over the last couple of years. And unless something changes, you're probably going to continue to see increases simply because unless medical costs come down, the cost to repair comes down, or we slow down the rate in which accidents happen, then you're probably going to continue to see some increases. Something you can do. Number one, don't drive distracted. And number two, if there are no texting or talking on the phone while driving laws in your state, like here in Arizona, then you might want to contact your state legislature and ask them to make there be consequences or a law passed for no texting and talking while driving, and also have there be consequences to filing a frivolous or an embellished lawsuit, because insurance companies have two choices: pay the higher claim or hire attorneys to battle it out in court, which still costs more money, which ends up costing you, the consumer, more money. So contact your state legislature about making there be consequences to talking or texting while driving and for filing frivolous or embellished lawsuits. Well, that's all for now. Hope you got something out of that, and we'll see you next week. Goodbye for now.